I'll show you how you can use Ubuntu on a virtual machine on a Mac. So simply go to Ubuntu website, download the version, latest version, 64-bit. At the same time, download VirtualBox. So first thing, we're going to install VirtualBox. Follow the instructions and you can customize for your own configuration. Now we're going to actually create the virtual machine. So open up VirtualBox. Click on the new button and put in the details. Now the virtual machine is set up. We need to start installing Ubuntu. So when you run the virtual machine, you want to know where you want to run it or boot from. So you'll need to select your ISO file that you downloaded. That's the actual speed my virtual machine is installing Ubuntu. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
There you have it. The virtual machine is fully complete and running.